Hey friends, and welcome back to another kids hair tutorial. This time we have our middle baby girl Lonnie representing her type 2 wavy hair, and we are doing this cute adorable double heart bun hairstyle for Valentine's Day. So stay tuned and continue watching as I show you guys how we achieve this gorgeous look. Starting off with this frizzy mess that she calls hair, I am going in with a bottle of water and I'm making sure I'm spraying it very well. This is going to help with getting those nice clean parts as I go into create her two ponytails. Now I decided to go with zigzags. I just don't know how to make a straight part, especially a part down the middle. For some reason, I just battle with those kind of parts. So I decided to go with a zigzag because who cares how it looks? It's zigzag. And then I'm just going in with a detangling brush. I will leave the link for this brush down in the description bar, as well as all of the other products that we will be using to style her hair. Now I went in with some gel and I'm just smoothing those out, and we are going to create these two ponytails, and then we'll start talking about how we're going to create these heart-shaped buns. Wonderful. Now that we have her two ponytails, let's talk about the heart-shaped bun. So I'm going in with a foam donut maker, and it has a wire going in between the foam, and I'm pretty much just molding the donut bun into the shape of a heart. Pretty easy. Just make your two humps at the top and make your nice pointed bottom. And then we're going to bring her hair through, and instead of like looping her hair through like I usually do with her buns, I'm just going to place the hair over the foam bun maker, brush it out, and make sure everything is even and covered. We can't see the roller, the foam roller anymore. And then I'm going to secure it with a rubber band. Now for all of her hair that is left out, which is a lot, we are going to create a braid at the base of the bun. So I'm pretty much just corn rolling her hair, picking up hair as I go around the base of the bun, and then we are going to secure what is left of the braid because we're going to braid it all the way down to the end. I'm going to tie a rubber band at the end of the braid as well to make sure it doesn't come undone, and we're going to secure it around the base of the bun with a simple bobby pin, and that is pretty much it for this entire style. Make a few adjustments to the points of the heart, the 3 points that you have, just to give it that more definitive heart look. I was inspired to create this look by the Cute Girls Hairstyles YouTube channel. She did this very similar look on her little girls, and I just knew I had to try it for Lonnie. And since everyone really loved her in her double buns that we did for her Christmas hairstyle, I decided to pretty much bring that over into the Valentine's Day hairstyles, and this was a perfect excuse to do some heart buns for. So this is how she went to school for Valentine's Day, to share the love with everyone, and we want to share the love with everyone too. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below any other cute hairstyles that you want to see on little ones. Thank you so much for watching. Please be blessed and be safe.